Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so today we have Jenny from the Outre Melted Hairline. So here's how she looks. She is super beautiful. I absolutely love this color. So here's the cap construction. I think it's average head friendly. It does come with two combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also features an elastic band, which I think is super good because it's really good for security. Now here's the parting area, and it looks really good, and I love how nice the lace is as well. And here's how it looks directly onto my head. And then I'm going to see if there's any shedding or tangling. I did experience both a little bit, barely any tangling, but I did experience some shedding. But not to be alarmed, that is because this is a blonde unit and because of the texture. So now I'm going to go in and make the unit work for me, of course. But overall, I do really like this unit. I feel like it's definitely worth putting in your wig arsenal. I think she would be fire in the color number 1B. I think she would just be like a all everywhere type of unit, you know. But overall, I do like it. And yeah, I'm just doing a voiceover today. I won't be finishing out like with me actually talking and stuff on camera. But overall, I do like this unit. If you guys are interested, then a link will definitely be in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this unit, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And make sure you hit that notification bell because I do upload quite often. I have 2 more videos coming today, so definitely make sure you are hitting that notification bell so you will not miss any of my uploads. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll let you guys finish out this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Open up.